Our next topic is picture or image file. So, what is picture or image file? Picture files have specific file extensions. So, we have seen when we save a picture in our computer, it is saved with either PNG or JPEG, etc. So, these are the file formats that are used to save a picture file. So, what are picture or picture file formats? So, picture file have specific file extensions. Picture file have specific file extensions. A picture file extension stands for the format of the standard or the standard that was used to make the computer picture readable. With the help of this picture format, we can read a picture. So, the file extension that we use to save a picture file tells us what kind of software is needed to view the picture. So, it is the use of a file extension in a picture. So, there are certain terms associated with a picture. The first term is pixel. So, what is a pixel? Pixel is the smallest piece of information in an image. So, in an image, the smallest piece of information is called a pixel. The smallest piece of information is called a pixel. And pixel is represented using dots or squares or rectangles. It is a regular two-dimensional grid. It is a grid that is like a box containing large number of boxes inside, and each pixel may be represented using dots, squares or rectangles. Next term associated with a picture is Kodak. So, Kodak is a device or a program capable of encoding or decoding a digital data stream or signal. So, Kodak is a device or a program used for decoding or encoding a digital data stream or a signal. So, the word Kodak comes from the name coding, decoding, or it can be considered from the word compression, decompression. So, Kodak has come from the two words coding, decoding, or from the other two words compression or decompression, compression and decompression. Now, our compression can be of two types. They are compression quality can be of two types. Compression quality can be of two types, that is lossy codec and lossless codec. Lossy codecs and lossless codecs. So, lossy codec means when we save a image or when we compress an image, the quality of the image is lost by using lossy codecs. In lossy codec, when we compress an image, the quality of the image is lost. And in lossless codecs, when we compress an image, the quality of the image is not reduced. Most cases, we use lossy codecs. In most of the formats, compression techniques use lossy codecs. In lossless, the quality of the image after compression is lost and is not lost, and in lossy codecs the quality of the compressed image is lost. Most of the cases lossy codecs are used. Next is different types of file formats. So we all know when we save a file, it is stored in the with different file formats. So first type of file format is bitmap. So bitmap in computer graphics, a bitmap or a pixmap. Bitmap is also called pixmap, is a type of memory organization or image file format used to store digital images. The term bitmap comes from the computer programming terminology meaning just a map of bits. So bitmap is also got its name from the term map of bits, just a collection of bits. So bitmap is a format of representing a image. Next type of format is raster format. It is also called RIFs, raster format. A raster format, raster image format, should be the most familiar to internet users. A raster format breaks the image into a series of colored dots called pixels. In raster format, the images are broken into small pieces called pixels, and mostly in internet the images are stored in the form of RIFs, raster image format, RIF. Next type of format is GIF, graphical interchange format, graphics interchange format, GIF. It is a standard format for images that was developed by computer servers. GIF allows high quality, high resolution graphics to be displayed on a variety of graphics hardware and is intended as an exchange and display mechanism for graphic images. There are two types of GIFs. They are animated GIFs and transparent GIFs. There are two types of GIF. They are animated GIFs and transparent GIFs. An animated GIF contains several frames, that is a sequence of GIF images, and can be set up to display the image one after another or in a loop. So it appears just like a animated image. Next one is transparent GIF. A transparent GIF is a GIF image with a transparent background. A transparent GIF file has the same file extension, that is .gif, as a regular GIF format. So GIF, that is graphic interchange format, is of two types. They are animated GIF, that is it has animations. Then transparent GIF, that is The background is transparent. Both have the file extension .gif. The next one is JPEG. Next file format is JPEG, that is Joint Photographers Expert Group. Joint Photographers Expert Group. JPEG is a standard compression mechanism. JPEG is designed for compressing either full color or grayscale images of natural and real world scenes. Next type of image compression image format is TIFF, that is tagged image file format. TIFF, that is tagged image file format. It is used for storing images including photographs and line arts. TIFF is widely supported by image manipulation applications, by publishing and page layout applications, by scanning, faxing, word processing, optical character recognition and other applications. These applications use TIFF. Next type of file format is PNG, that is Portable Network Graphics. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. It is similar to that of GIF. PNG is similar to that of GIF. Next one is PNG 24. It is another type of PNG format which supports 24-bit color support. It has a 24-bit color support. Next one is BMP. BMP is a bitmap file for Windows. Bitmap file for Windows. Then next one is PCX. PCX is a file format used by ZSoft Paint file. These images with PCX as file extension can be read using Paint applications. Windows Paintbrush application can be used to read this images in this file format. Usually the file formats we use are JPEG, TIFF, GIF, PNG, etc. Next is vector formats. Vector formats. So, as opposed to the raster image formats, we have learned here image formats. Vector image formats contain geometric description which can be rendered smoothly at any desired display size. So, vector formats can be altered or opened from any applications. So, these are some of the vector image formats. First one is ODG, that is Open Document Graphics, is an open standard, that is it is an open source application. ODG is an open document graphics. Next one is WMF, is Windows Meta File, is a graphics file format on Windows operating system. Graphics file format on Windows operating system, that is WMF, Windows Meta File. Next is PDF, that is Portable Document Format. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, and this PDF is file format created by Adobe. Then the next one is SWF, that is shock wave flash. Is also SWF is read as SWIFT, and it is used for publications on the web. It is used for publications on the web. Okay, thank you children.